Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to T's Time of TJ. Thank you for tuning in. We're closing in on the end. I got cabinet doors. They're up, they're installed, they're good. They're not finished. Like I said in a previous video, not really trying to record that stuff. You saw me paint like the face frames. It's the same process. And I did install like one cabinet like a while ago. But today's video, we're getting into finishing up our last bit of plumbing. Our little elbow here for our drain. This is the last bit that we need to finish for our water. Like everything's been pressure tested, everything is leak proof, everything is good. This is the last connection we need to make. It's from this is the drain right here that goes to the sink right here. So we just have to figure out fittings and just getting that put on. This right here is the sink drain. Comes with a little basket to catch larger stuff. That goes down in there. We have a little grate right here at the bottom just to protect the bottom from like just stuff like falling in there and banging up the bottom. But let me get that put in. And just be careful with like these edges in here. As you can see, I had a little incident with the shower. It's kind of like the same principle. These are jagged. You can cut your finger if you like just slide it along that. So be careful of that. But first order of business is get this put in. And then once we have that in, we could go from there and start connecting the dots. Boom. Like so. And then come on the bottom. Take this. That's like so. We just need to try to make a straight shot back there. This is just temporarily on there. We're going to take a 90. We have to kind of figure that out. Alright, and this originally comes with the cap like so. It goes on here like that. A gasket lives in there. I lost that gasket, but I got a replacement gasket right here. And we just had to figure out connecting all these pieces. I have a kit right here. I do have like PVC cleaner and cement. Clear cement. Cleaner right there. So if need be, we could do that if we need to. Hopefully it just all screws together and seals with gaskets. But I'm going to take this stuff out and try to assemble our little elbow that we need. And we'll get that going now. Alright, so this is what I have set up. I got my PVC pipe cut. I just needed like 4 1/4 for right here. We have our 90. And the way that this will sit, it will sit just right. It comes a little lower than I wanted it. But like if I came up here, we would have like interference with the stuff back there. So this way I don't even have to cut stuff. We'll just assemble like so. These two parts, this needs to be cemented in, and then also this needs to be cemented in. So I'm going to start at the 90. I already marked like right there with pencil, like where it needs to line up with the marks right here. So you can pick that up with that mark right there on that 90. So right now just clean with the clear cleaner, and then use the medium cement PVC pipe glue. Alright, and before we put that piece on, let's start up here. Gasket in, like so. And on this side, it's a compression gasket. So it lives like that. When you tighten that down, that'll keep that from sliding. So we'll leave that loose. Leave that loose. Then we come over here. And this is where the important part is. Like right here, that should be like a press-in. But most likely, I'm going to use cement to get that glued in like that. So it's permanent, so we don't have any chances of it leaking. Before we do that though, I want to get this set where it needs to. I did draw like a line already on the pipe right there. So that's for the depth of it. It should sit like something like so. All right, and that's what we have for the drain. We'll check to see if that leaks in a little bit. I'm gonna let that glue set up. All right, we appear to be good.